All right, we have our contact sidekick here. So who's our attacker victim?
Attacker.
Okay, cool. So typically we do this with our non-audience side, but it actually doesn't matter for this particular one. So it's just your dominant leg typically. So typically what happens is you take a step towards your victim. You are going to raise your knee up, twisting your body slightly to the side, and then you are going to let your, sorry, it's harder to do in slow motion. You're going to let your foot fully extend, your leg fully extend, letting the flat part of your foot, pointed toe, make contact with the side of their body. They are going to protect the side of their body. Lucy, demonstrate on this side so we can see. Yeah. With two hands grabbing, just protecting against that foot. You can either grab their foot or you can, and then do something, more aggressive with it. But please make sure you don't do that without having had it choreographed in advance, because you can hurt them by hurting their leg that way. So typically what happens is you just shove their leg away. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. Good. All right. Nice job, guys.